Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? It's Code Spasm, and welcome to my YouTube coding channel where I upload game development and web development videos, maybe software development videos. I'm not too sure about that one. With that being said, let's get right into today's video. So today's video, we're gonna be creating a login form, and we'll be creating a database and connecting to that database. I'll be using XM to create my database because XM provides me with PHP my admin where I actually create the database. So if you want XM, the link is in the description, and as well as the link for the text editor I use, which is Visual Studio Code. If you've installed XM, what I want you to do is open Explorer, locate htdocs, and you will see some files in here if you've just installed XM for the first time. So just delete those files. It isn't important. You could go ahead and delete it and create a login system folder. Inside that login system folder, create a connect.php, a login.css, and a login.php. Now, if you've also installed Visual Studio Code, we're going to open up Visual Studio Code. Go to File, Open Folder, and locate that login system folder that we created earlier. And that is inside htdocs. And htdocs is inside the XM folder, which is inside local disk, your local disk. So you're going to just click on that login system, and then we're just going to click select folder. I already have it open. So as you could see for my login.php, I already created the form. I linked in my CSS. And in the form, we're using method post. And the action is going to be taking place on that same page. Basically, that's where you have this pound sign. And inside this form, as you can see, there is two labels, one for username and one for password, two input fields, one for the username and one for the password. And there's a login button. So if we click on admin Apache here, what this is gonna do is take us to this page. Now, what we want to do here is just locate that login system folder we created and just click on it, and then click in login.php. And as you can see, it's right here, the login form with our login header. Now, to create a database, we're going to go back to XM control panel and click on admin button for MySQL. You're going to take us to phpMyAdmin. Once we get here, we're going to go to new and type in login system for database name and click create. I already have it here, so this is what it should look like after you click create. So from there, we're just going to close this, open up Visual Studio Code and open up our connect.php. And inside our connect.php, what we're going to do here is basically type in the code for us to connect to that database. So what we're going to need here is our server information, which is localhost, and the user, which is root, and the password, which is going to be empty, which there's no password. And we're gonna need our name of our database. So let's start typing. So host, we're just gonna put localhost, like I said earlier. And we're gonna put our user, and we're going to have root. And for password, it's going to be empty. You could change that if you wanted to, but I wouldn't advise to change it. And our database name, which is login system. Now, time to actually write the code which is going to connect to the database. So we're going to write MySQL is equals to new MySQLi, the host, the user, the password, and the name of the database, which is DB. So all these are basically variables which has the server and the database information. Next, what we want to do is actually output a message that says connect if we connect it to the database. So we're going to do this in for if statement. So if MySQLi is true, then we're just going to echo out connected. Else, if we are not connected, so therefore it's false, we're going to echo out error. Now, in order for this code to work, we have to include this connect.php inside our login.php. So we're going to just use require, which is one of the methods that we could use. I'm just going to type connect.php since it's in the same folder as our login.php. That should be it. So now if we go to our login.php, if we refresh, we should see connect. So there we have it, guys. We've connected to our database, we've created a database, we've created a login form, and it works. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, please leave a like and please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.